Are you worried about your gut problem or high blood pressure? The information contained in this video could be beneficial to you. Hi, I am Vijesh, your friend and wellness coach. Now let us discuss the first issue of gut problem. See, the gut health directly impacts your overall health because it has got direct connection with your brain. It is called a second brain, and it affects your mood, cognitive functions, and overall functions of the brain. Secondly, it also helps in nutrient absorption. Whatever you eat should be digested and the nutrients should be absorbed into the body. So if your digestive health is not good, the nutrient absorption will not be proper. Thirdly, the gut health directly affects your immunity. Then it also helps in prevention of autoimmune diseases like psoriasis and autoimmune thyroid problems and many other autoimmune conditions. To maintain a good gut health, the most important role is played by the bacteria which are residing in our gut, that is colon and intestine. There are different strains of bacteria which are residing in our digestive tract. There are good bacteria and there are bad bacteria. If the good bacteria is in dominance, your gut health will be good. The key is to maintain the balance, and due to many factors like lifestyle imbalance in lifestyle, excessive intake of sugars, and certain medication, stress, this balance is disturbed. And more than good bacteria, there is a dominance of bad bacteria which negatively impacts our gut health. So what we can do to maintain this balance if your gut health is compromised? We must include foods which contain good bacterial strains, and these are called probiotics. The foods which contain good bacteria are called probiotics. We must include this type of foods. It will help in populating our colon with good bacteria. The number will increase. Then these bacteria need food also to eat and survive. So we must also include food which include food for this bacteria, and food for this bacteria is called prebiotics. These are certain types of fibers which cannot be digested by our human body. It directly goes to colon, and these bacteria feeds on that. Okay, now if we include prebiotics and probiotics, our gut health can improve to a very large extent, and it will help you solve the problem. Now I will tell you about what are the foods we can have. Before that, let us come to the second problem of hypertension. Now when we look at the cause of hypertension, one of the main cause is the loss of elasticity of arteries. What do I mean by that? When the blood is pumped through our artery should dilate so that the pressure is maintained. If our arteries are stiff, or if it loses the ability to dilate and the elasticity, it will become stiff. So it will give resistance to the blood flow. So the important molecule to maintain the elasticity or the dilation of the blood vessel is nitric oxide. So if we include foods which are rich in nitric oxide and nitrates, there will be a constant supply of these molecule, and it will help our arteries to dilate, and it will reduce the hypertension issues and other heart related issues. Now we have discussed two problems, that is, one is gut issues. To alleviate that gut problem, we must include prebiotics and probiotics. The second problem is hypertension, nitric oxide containing food should be included. Now, one of the wonder food and which is also amazing in taste and is refreshing is beetroot kanji. Beetroot kanji can be helpful in solving your gut issues because it contains prebiotics and probiotics. It contains good bacteria called lactobacillus. There are good strains of lactobacillus contained in the beetroot kanji. And it also contains good fiber, which are food for this bacteria. And secondly, it contains good amount of nitric oxide and nitrates, which will help in blood vessel dilation and will help in management of hypertension. Apart from this, it has got numerous other benefits because beetroot contains a lot of other good nutrients also. In prevention of cancer and heart diseases because it contains a lot of antioxidants, mainly called betalains. And it also good in brain health and neurotransmission. And it also helps in improving immunity. It is such a wonderful. Now let us briefly look at how we can very easily prepare this food, beetroot kanji, at our home. I have made beetroot kanji at my home. I am showing that video. So let us see how it is made. It's very simple. Now take a tablespoon of black mustard, a teaspoon of salt. I have taken pink salt, and 2 medium-sized beetroot. Now peel it off and chop it into long pieces, just like in French fries. Now crush the mustard into fine powder. Take 1 liter of drinking water in a glass jar. Please do not use plastic or metal containers. Add 1 teaspoon of salt into the water and add crushed mustard seeds. Now add beetroot pieces and stir it well. Now cover the mouth of the jar with a piece of cotton cloth and tie it well. If you do not have cotton cloth, you can loosely keep the lid on top of the container. Now keep the jar in a place with natural lighting for around 5 to 7 days. Please stir the solution every day. Let us see how it looks after 5 days. Now it has become a nice, tangy, refreshing probiotic drink. Now we can strain out the water into a separate glass jar and drink it every day. You can also have the beetroot pieces and keep everything refrigerated for preservation. Now to recap the information which I have shared in this video, beetroot kanji is an excellent probiotic drink which you must include in your diet so that you can get rid of gut issues because it contains probiotics and prebiotics. Also, it will help in reducing hypertension because it contains nitric oxide with many other benefits like antioxidants which help in prevention of cancer, heart disease, brain functions, neurotransmission, immunity, and many other functions. Having said this, if you are under any medication for your gut issues and hypertension, please consult with your doctor and continue that. And with that, you can have this beetroot kanji drink, which will be definitely be beneficial, but it will be beneficial in long run. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.